Do you want to manifest things fast? I mean, like right now type of fast. You can have it all, and here's how.
Jimmy, have you ever wanted to manifest something really fast? Like right now fast? Oh, absolutely. So what's the secret to instant manifestation? Do I just snap my fingers and poof, an instant pizza appears? Close. Tip 1, think really, really hard. Like squint your eyes and really clench your face. Give yourself a headache. The universe loves intense concentration. So the harder I strain, the faster everything I want appears. My head's already starting to hurt. Exactly. And tip 2, say what you want out loud, but do it dramatically. Like, I want $1 million. Now, please. Yeah. Yell it to the sky. I want a pizza delivered to my door. Is it working yet? Tip 3, use visualization. Picture it in your minds, but make it over the top. Imagine that pizza with extra cheese, golden crust, and a parade delivering it to you. I see it, and there's a marching band. This better work. And finally, step 4, believe it's already yours. Just act like it's done. Walk around like you's already won the lottery. Even though you're dirt poor, Bob, you ain't won nothing and ain't never will. I'm rich. Any minute now. Where's my pizza? Here's to manifesting faster than you can blink. Cheers to instant wishes and imaginary pizza. Yum.